see it. See it outside. Let me try to give him a look at him. Those parts of his dog. Great. It's all dusty. Because you know it's about to rain today. There's a big chance it's a little like a windstorm or something, but it may be soon. So maybe rain. I better just get back inside.